Good morning on a wet January 1st, 2026. Beautiful time to take a stroll in the Pima Wash Rock Garden along the bike path in Lake Havasu City, Arizona. And this is just some of the features you'll find here in the Pima Wash Rock Garden, including nice chime honoring Maravati, the name of the earth in the cosmos. So here we have a beautiful morning for a stroll up the garden. We'll make a quick stroll up. A few of the signages in here is listen to the children. Upper congregation sign showing you where you're going to find the upper congregation. A lot of snakes in here, spirals that have healing properties and are so meaningful to Mother Earth and to ourselves. Here we have a multitude of faces in the garden. Some made by an older couple, some made by children in the Havasu Homeschoolers Association. This rock garden was established in 2011. That was when this strip of sidewalk was put in for the bike path linking downtown Lake Havasu City to the lake, and that left a blank canvas here to start building a beautiful rock garden. And we have Hilltop Farm. Hilltop Farm was named for Beatrix Potter, who wrote Peter Rabbit, and she bought Hilltop Farm in 1905 to stop development. And so there's a little farm setting. This garden is full of different dioramas, so if you look at any different given spot, you'll find a different theme. There's a lighthouse, pirate's treasure chest. There's a signage showing you how far it is. The garden is just 9/10 of a mile from the aquatic center, 1.3 miles to the skate park in Thompson Bay, 8,600 miles to the South Pole. The playground up in Mesquite is just 2/10 of a mile, and the North Pole is 3,835 miles. And the gnome doors, oh my gosh, what a gift to the garden, a sack full of doors. And then the next challenge was, how are you going to make a home to attach these doors to? So we have 8 gnome houses in the garden. You can pause this at any time and take a better peek of it if I'm going too fast. The puppy dog, oh my gosh, the puppy dog is a favorite. This is a homage to all the puppy dogs, past, present, and future. And we have people that paint rocks that give messages of encouragement or messages of remembrance. And of course, number one theme is love, one love. The little waterfalls leading down to the Paula Verde trees. And of course the grounding throne that you can walk in and sit right down in. Whoa! So this grounding throne, oh, sorry for that noise. This is one of the things that happens when you're lived near town, but you also have an opportunity to see this. A lot of people come by this garden. And of course on the other side there's a number of painted rocks and little scenes. The painted rocks are donated by others. I just accumulate them into spaces that make sense. Like the penguins. Give them all like a little ice floe to sit on. Yeah, or the locomotive, or the cars on the Route 66. And the fish. Oh my gosh. And then we do have a couple of benches, and this is a good way to out beyond the ideas of wrongdoing and right doing. There is a field. I'll meet you there. Roomy 1207 1273. Lowe's donated a park bench. Campbell Equipment donated a bunch of rocks, as did many people have brought rock collections here for me to incorporate in the garden. And right now it's got a slight rain. I love the heart. The heart is one of the first structures put in the garden. The Buddha is here. We just have the path continues on and goes down to the lake, or continues up the other way and goes into town.